Number 10. The Casio F91W is a true icon in the world of affordable timepieces, celebrated for its timeless design, reliability, and no-nonsense functionality that has stood the test of decades. Crafted with a lightweight resin case and strap, it offers exceptional comfort for everyday wear while maintaining impressive durability for such a compact watch. Its clean digital display ensures easy readability, featuring essential functions like a 1/100-second stopwatch, daily alarm, and an automatic calendar, all powered by a long-lasting battery that can run for years without replacement. The watch also includes a modest water resistance suitable for daily splashes, making it practical for casual use without compromising its minimalist charm. One of its most distinctive features is the subtle backlight, allowing visibility in low-light conditions, though it retains a classic, understated glow that adds to its nostalgic appeal. Despite its simplicity, the F91W embodies efficiency and dependability, appealing to students, professionals, and watch enthusiasts alike who appreciate its straightforward approach to timekeeping. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its perfect balance of function, affordability, and iconic design, making it not just a watch, but a cultural staple that continues to remain relevant in an era of increasingly complex technology. Number 9. The Casio Duro MDV106 is a standout timepiece that perfectly blends rugged durability with classic dive watch aesthetics, making it a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate both style and performance. Built with a solid stainless steel case and a bold, easy-to-read dial, it delivers a strong wrist presence while maintaining excellent legibility thanks to its luminous hands and markers. At the heart of the watch is a reliable quartz movement that ensures precise timekeeping with minimal maintenance, ideal for everyday wear as well as more demanding environments. One of its most defining features is its impressive 200-meter water resistance, allowing it to handle swimming, snorkeling, and recreational diving with confidence. The unidirectional rotating bezel adds practical functionality for tracking elapsed time, while the screw-down crown enhances its overall water resistance and durability. Protected by a mineral crystal, the dial remains resistant to everyday scratches, ensuring long-lasting clarity. Despite its robust construction, the watch remains comfortable on the wrist, often paired with a flexible resin strap that suits both casual and sporty styles. The Casio Duro MDV106 stands as a testament to Casio's ability to deliver dependable, well-designed watches at an accessible price point, offering exceptional value without compromising on the essential features that define a true dive watch. Number 8. The Timex Weekender Chronograph is a versatile and stylish timepiece that effortlessly blends casual charm with functional design, making it an ideal choice for everyday wear. Known for its relaxed aesthetic, the watch features a clean, easy-to-read dial complemented by multiple subdials that power its chronograph functionality, allowing precise measurement of elapsed time. Housed in a durable brass or stainless steel case, it strikes a perfect balance between lightweight comfort and dependable build quality. One of its most appealing aspects is the interchangeable strap system, often paired with fabric or leather options that can be easily swapped to match different outfits and occasions, enhancing its adaptability. The signature Indiglow backlight ensures excellent visibility in low-light conditions, illuminating the entire dial with a soft, even glow at the press of a button. Driven by a reliable quartz movement, it offers consistent accuracy with minimal upkeep, while its modest water resistance makes it suitable for everyday splashes and casual use. Combining classic chronograph styling with Timex's reputation for practicality and affordability, the Weekender Chronograph stands out as a timeless accessory that delivers both functionality and laid-back sophistication. Number 7. The Seiko 5 SNK809 is a beloved entry-level mechanical watch that perfectly captures the essence of reliability, simplicity, and timeless field watch design. Powered by Seiko's in-house automatic movement, it operates without the need for a battery, drawing energy from the natural motion of the wearer's wrist, which adds a sense of traditional craftsmanship and mechanical charm. Its compact stainless steel case, paired with a durable fabric strap, ensures a comfortable fit while maintaining a rugged, military-inspired aesthetic. The matte black dial is clean and highly legible, featuring bold Arabic numerals, luminous hands, and a practical day-date display positioned at 3 o'clock, offering both convenience and functionality for daily use. The exhibition case back provides a glimpse into the inner workings of the movement, a detail often appreciated by watch enthusiasts at this price point. Despite its affordability, the SNK809 delivers dependable performance and durability, making it an excellent choice for those new to automatic watches as well as seasoned collectors seeking a reliable everyday piece. With its understated design and mechanical heritage, it remains a standout example of Seiko's commitment to quality and value. Number 6. The Orient Bambino Version IV is a refined and elegant timepiece that exemplifies classic dress watch aesthetics with a touch of modern sophistication, making it a standout choice for formal and semi-formal occasions. Featuring a beautifully domed mineral crystal and a polished stainless steel case, it creates a vintage-inspired profile that adds depth and character to the dial. The minimalist face is thoughtfully designed with slender hands, applied hour markers, and a clean layout that enhances readability while maintaining a timeless appeal. Powered by Orient's reliable in-house automatic movement, the watch eliminates the need for a battery and showcases the brand's commitment to mechanical craftsmanship and precision. Its smooth leather strap complements the overall design, offering both comfort and a polished look suitable for business attire or special events. The Bambino Version IV is particularly admired for its balanced proportions and subtle detailing, which give it a distinctive presence without being overly flashy. Combining affordability with classic design and dependable performance, it remains a favorite among those seeking an accessible yet sophisticated mechanical dress watch that delivers enduring style and everyday reliability. Number 5. The Invicta Pro Diver 8926W is a bold and accessible dive watch that captures the essence of classic underwater styling while delivering solid mechanical performance at an exceptional value. Built with a sturdy stainless steel case and bracelet, it offers a substantial feel on the wrist, complemented by a unidirectional rotating bezel that adds both functionality and a sporty edge. The dial is designed for clarity, featuring luminous hands and markers that enhance visibility in low-light conditions, along with a magnified date window for added practicality. At its core, the watch is powered by an automatic movement, allowing it to run smoothly without the need for a battery, drawing energy from the motion of the wearer's wrist. Its 200-meter water resistance makes it suitable for swimming and recreational diving, reinforcing its identity as a capable dive companion. The mineral crystal provides everyday durability, while the exhibition case back offers a glimpse into the mechanical movement, adding a touch of visual interest for enthusiasts. Combining robust construction, classic design cues, and dependable automatic functionality, the Invicta Pro Diver 8926W stands out as a popular choice for those seeking a stylish and budget-friendly entry into the world of mechanical dive watches. Number 4. The Citizen Eco Drive Chandler is a practical and rugged timepiece that embodies everyday reliability with a clean, military-inspired design, making it a dependable companion for both outdoor adventures and daily wear. Crafted with a durable stainless steel case and often paired with a comfortable canvas or nylon strap, it offers a lightweight yet sturdy feel that suits active lifestyles. The dial is designed for maximum legibility, featuring bold Arabic numerals, luminous hands, and a clear date display, ensuring easy readability in various lighting conditions. At the heart of the watch is Citizen's renowned Eco Drive technology, which harnesses light from any source to power the watch, eliminating the need for battery replacements and providing long-term convenience. Its modest water resistance adds an extra layer of practicality for everyday use, while the mineral crystal helps protect the dial from scratches and wear. The Chandler stands out for its straightforward functionality and understated aesthetic, appealing to those who value efficiency, durability, and low-maintenance performance. With its combination of eco-friendly innovation and classic field watch styling, it remains a reliable and versatile choice that seamlessly fits into both casual and active settings. Number 3. The Pagani Design PD-1661 is a striking and highly regarded timepiece that brings the essence of luxury dive watch styling into an accessible and well-crafted package, appealing to enthusiasts who appreciate both aesthetics and value. Constructed with a solid stainless steel case and bracelet, it offers a robust and polished presence on the wrist, complemented by a ceramic bezel that enhances durability while adding a refined, premium touch. The dial is clean and highly legible, featuring luminous hands and markers that ensure visibility in low-light conditions, along with a practical date display that enhances everyday usability. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, often sourced from respected manufacturers, the watch delivers consistent performance without the need for a battery, adding to its mechanical appeal. Sapphire crystal protection provides excellent scratch resistance, elevating its durability beyond many watches in its price range. With solid water resistance suitable for daily wear and light water activities, the PD-1661 balances functionality with style effortlessly. Its design pays homage to iconic dive watch aesthetics while maintaining its own identity, making it a popular choice for those seeking a sophisticated, durable, and budget-friendly automatic watch that offers impressive features and visual appeal. Number 2. The Steeldive SD1953 is a rugged and highly capable dive watch that delivers impressive performance and durability while maintaining a classic and recognizable design aesthetic. Built with a solid stainless steel case and bracelet, It offers a strong, substantial feel on the wrist, complemented by a unidirectional ceramic bezel that enhances both functionality and scratch resistance. The dial is designed for maximum clarity, featuring bold luminous markers and hands coated with high-performance lume, ensuring excellent visibility even in dark or underwater conditions. At its core, the watch is powered by a reliable automatic movement, providing smooth and consistent timekeeping without the need for a battery. One of its standout features is its robust water resistance, typically rated up to 300 meters, making it well-suited for serious water activities and diving. The inclusion of a sapphire crystal adds an extra layer of durability, protecting the dial from scratches and daily wear. With its combination of solid construction, dependable mechanics, and strong underwater capabilities, the Steeldive SD1953 stands out as a value-driven timepiece that appeals to both dive watch enthusiasts and those seeking a durable, everyday automatic watch with professional-grade features. Number 1. The Parnis Submariner Homage is a bold and stylish timepiece that captures the classic dive watch look with impressive presence and value, making it a sought-after choice for enthusiasts who admire iconic designs without the premium price tag. Its robust stainless steel case and bracelet give it a solid and confident feel on the wrist, while the unidirectional rotating bezel adds both functionality and a sporty edge for tracking elapsed time. The dial is designed for clarity and visibility, often featuring luminous hands and markers that ensure easy readability in low-light conditions, along with a date window that enhances daily practicality. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, it runs smoothly and consistently without the need for a battery, drawing energy from the wearer's natural motion. A durable mineral or sapphire crystal protects the dial from scratches and everyday wear, contributing to long-lasting performance. With respectable water resistance that supports everyday activities and recreational water exposure, the Parnis Submariner Homage combines classic dive watch styling with dependable mechanics and accessible pricing, making it a compelling option for those who appreciate heritage design paired with everyday reliability.